Hi, I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority. Work on the FM Area Diversion project has been progressing at numerous locations around the Fargo-Moorhead metro area. Here are some of the highlights for this month. The largest of three control structures, the Red River structure, is taking shape. With the first gates now hung, delivery of components for the second of three 50 by 52.5 foot radial arm gates is now underway. Once completed, the gates will remain open until the project needs to operate, at which time they will close to hold back floodwaters from entering the FM Metro. In addition to the gates, Ames Construction has completed placing preload embankments on the east and west sides of the structure. They've also begun driving sheet piles and H-piles for the east side flood wall and are building concrete gauge well structures that will house instrumentation for measuring the water surface levels both up and downstream of the structure when it operates. Nearby at the southern embankment, earthwork continues at Reach SC2B. R.J. Zavarol and Sons, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers contractor, is also now installing the first precast concrete box culvert segments where the borrow ditch will cross County Road 16. More than 2 million cubic yards of material will be excavated to construct the project. As we move west, we can see excavation taking place at Reach 13 of the Stormwater Diversion Channel. ASN Constructors has surpassed the halfway mark for moving the required 45 million cubic yards of material. That means they've excavated enough earth to construct 7 full-size replicas of the Great Pyramid of Giza. "19 road and railroad bridges will cross the 30-mile-long channel, and they are all under construction this summer. Near the channel's downstream end, ASN Constructors poured the bridge deck at the County Road 4 and 31 combined crossing this month. Just north of the metro area, at the I-29 crossing, progress has been made on the bridge abutments and piers, and girders are now installed on one of the pair of interstate crossings. Our drone view of this area also shows the work happening on the nearby crossings at County Road 81, as well as the BNSF Hillsborough Railroad. Excavation is underway at both future bridges, and crews are constructing embankments raising the mainline grades on the approaches to them. At the BNSF Prosper crossing, bridge piers have been built, and the work shifted in recent weeks to building the bridge abutments for the new rail line. In addition to the 19 road and railroad bridges, ASN Constructors is building 9 maintenance road bridges. The first, at the Lower Rush River Inlet site, now has the substructure elements completed and the bridge girders installed. When completed, the new river inlet will feature an open channel excavation lined with riprap passing underneath the maintenance road bridge. Those are just some of the many FM Area Diversion components under construction. To see more progress, follow the MFDA on social media.